Russia is the largest country in the world, located in Europe and Asia. Russia is bordered by Norway, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Belarus, and Ukraine in the west, Georgia and Azerbaijan in the southwest, Kazakhstan and Mongolia in the south, and China and North Korea in the east. It is known for its diverse and expansive landscape, including vast forests, rolling plains, towering mountains, and frozen tundra. The climate in Russia ranges from cold and snowy in the northern regions to warm and temperate in the south. The population of Russia is almost 145 million people. The official language is Russian. The country has a diverse religious population, with Orthodox Christianity being the largest religion. The capital city of Russia is Moscow, and other important cities include St. Petersburg, Novosibirsk, and Yekaterinburg. The currency used is the Russian ruble. Russian cuisine is known for its hearty and flavorful dishes, including borscht, a sour soup often made with red beetroots, dumplings, and small savory pancakes. Russia has produced many authors such as Leo Tolstoy, Fyodor Dostoevsky, and Anton Chekhov, whose works have had a profound impact on world literature. Ballet, another important aspect of Russian culture, has been popularized by famous companies such as the Bolshoi Ballet in Moscow. Russia is famous for its unique and stunning architecture, including the iconic Onion Dome churches and colorful St. Basil's Cathedral in Red Square. Other popular tourist attractions in Russia include the historic Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, the Kremlin in Moscow, and the Golden Ring cluster of ancient towns. Revolution in Russia in 1917 led to the creation of the world's first communist state. Russia was the center of the vast and powerful Soviet Union for more than 7 decades.